Hello there. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel. How are we feeling on this Wednesday, September 1st? Think about that for a minute. Before we get to how we're feeling, think about that for a minute. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity flowing right out of our bodies. We see it flow out and just flowing away. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire body with white light, we see it filling our entire body. It then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together, and we're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Great work, good work, good work. Remember to keep that wonderful spiritual tool of those 3 deep cleansing breaths in our spiritual toolbox. It is a great way to bring us back into balance right now. If we just need a timeout and a reset, we can use it for that too. It's a great stress reliever. I was asking at the beginning of the video, how are we feeling? Well, that's what I want us to be thinking about today. That's what we're going to be focusing on today, because the moon is in Cancer. So we are connected with our feelings, and Cancer is all about self-care, care of the partnership, care of the family, care of the home. So we're going to tap into our feelings today. We're going to listen to our feelings, and we're going to listen to what they are telling us. And we are going to act in the spirit of self-care, partner care, family care when we make our decisions today. You're going, what is she talking about, that crazy old lady? Okay, here's an example. Okay, so it's Wednesday. It's been a long week so far, and we are just feeling exhausted at the end of this workday. All we want to do is go home and put our feet up and just rest and relax just for a little bit. Get our time out, do those 3 deep cleansing breaths, right? So we're thinking about that. But here comes our buddies. Hey man, we're going down to the corner bar. It's midweek. Let's celebrate hump day. And you're thinking to yourself, wow, you know, I haven't gone out with my buddies for a long time. And shoot, I really, what are they gonna think of me if I just I pass? They'll just think I'm a wimp or something. So all these little thoughts, right, going on in the head, the little brain is coming in, processing, rationalizing. The feelings have already told us our answer. Our feelings have already said, hey, we need to go home tonight. We need to take care of ourselves. Regardless of what they think out there, regardless of what's going on, I need to come home. I need to take care of self. Or let's say we're at work again. We're at work again. And the kids are really excited because we're coming home and we're going to toss ball in the backyard when we come home from work tonight. And that's going to be so cool. The kids really like that. Uh-oh, here comes our buddies again. Hey, man, I got a free round of golf tonight at this swanky-danky country club. We may never get this chance again. Oh, you can see the brain kicking in, can't ya? Oh, rationalizing. Wow, this is only a once in a lifetime. I can't pass it up. But your feelings have already told you. You want to be home with your kids. That's where your heart is. So pay attention to those little red flags today. Pay attention to our feelings and our inner self telling us what we need to take care of ourselves today. It's not going out and partying. No, it's coming in, it's making sure that when we come home we have a space that we can feel renewed, we can revive ourselves, we can come to peace and relax. That's what we're looking for today. We're looking for security. So if our brain, our processor is trying to rationalize us doing something outside of that scope, think about it twice. Because the reason that we're being asked to listen to our feelings is because we do need to spend time with family. We do need to spend time with self-care during this moon in Cancer. And if we don't, we go hang out with our buddies and we do these other things, we're just going to become what? More exhausted. Our kids are going to be disappointed. And really, look at it long term. It's not a great option if we don't listen to our feelings today. So, for today, September 1st, wow, September 1st, we are going to listen to what our feelings are telling us today. Also, listen to our feelings. If our feelings or if our mind this will be our mind again. If our mind is coming in saying, oh, little Susie over there, she really needs my help. I think I need to do this for her today. She didn't really ask me for it, but I know she needs me. I know she needs me to go do this or get this. I just know it. No, you don't. This moon in Cancer, we are sensitive to each other's needs, but we're in that need to be needed feeling, like we're going to go save the world. But this is let's take this advice today too. Don't give advice unless it's asked for today, okay? That'll keep us from, pushing our opinion and what we think is right for others and their safety and security, all that stuff on them without us really knowing what the heck they need. Advice, please, for today. Caring connections. Caring connections. Isn't that your truth? So instead of partying out there, instead of it's time to come home, spend time with self, spend time with our partner today. And really, really bring that relationship into balance, show our partner how much we appreciate them. That's what today is about. Adjacent possibilities. There is always more than one answer. Always. It just depends on our perspective. It depends on our attitude. And with the sun in Virgo energy, we are so attuned to the fine details, the facts, researching, organizing. Sometimes we forget that we don't have the only answer. I mean, we're feeling so darn proud of ourselves. We came up with this, and this is the cat's meow. But there are more than one answer. And this goes back to us working with the group, especially this week, and looking at all the different perspectives to come up with that possible adjacent possibility. possible adjacent possibility. Okay, cat. Man holding a coin. Now, the man holding a coin, this is male energy, first of all. So we first want to look at it as male energy and not just a man, although in a minute I'll say something about that. But with the male energy is often offering us a coin. This means for us, especially with this sun in Virgo, this is the time that we need to, especially again with the moon in Cancer, I just thought of that. We need to be checking on self-care, taking care of our health, making sure that we are eating healthily, reducing stress, again, Cancer in mood and Cancer energy. We need to be addressing the health of ourselves actively. It's male energy. We need to be working on our finances, strategizing. Again, that Virgo energy, details, planning. Male energy is saying take action. And the other possibility, oh yes, someone may be coming into our lives who is either a mentor or who can offer financial support to a project that we are working on, a project or idea. Or yes, it could also mean for some of us, a new love relationship is coming into our lives. So be ready for that today if that's what comes up for us. So today, remember, stay in touch with our feelings and listen to what they're telling us. What they're telling us is how we will react and how we will move forward. So pay attention. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages. And if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I greatly appreciate it. Remember, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel is Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Have a great Wednesday. Remember to listen to your feelings. Namaste.